Hey everyone, I've got a Seat Ibiza here. Just did a service on this, but I've noticed the rear tail lights out. As you can see, that one's working, this one isn't. And on this side you've got both working. To do this is quite a simple procedure. You've got a plastic trim, which I've already removed just to see how it is. That's the plastic trim. You need a flat screwdriver, or you can take it out with your fingers. Just show you how it's done basically. So that's there, and then all you do then is take the clip out, take the cover out, and then you've got a screw here, which is a Phillips screwdriver, and on the back here you've got two little grommets. You take the grommets out, put them on the side for a minute, and then you've got two little screws there. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver. So undo the screws, don't lose them. Whatever you do, you take one out, you take the second one out. That's two little screws right there, and then you've got this one here. So undo the screw as well. Right, I've got the three screws out. All I then do is push the light in and then take the whole thing out. There we go. Now for me to do the bulbs, what I need to do is I need to unclip it. So if I unclip on one side, there we go, that's out. So you have to pull these, sort of push them outwards to take the clip out. Now you've got two little flip screws again. All I know to do is undo these little screws. And then you gently pull this out. Right, now as you can see, so you've got the normal single filament bulb, which is for the reverse, and then you've got the 501 bulb, which is for the tail light. I now remove the 501 bulb from here. So that's the bulb you need. I'm just going to go and grab one. There we go, that's the 501 bulb. I've already fitted the bulb in. Just going to put everything back together now. Get the cover up. Now you've got the two little holes, the little one and the big one. To get the bulb in, so there's no way you put it in wrong. You slot the whole thing in. Once you slot it in, you get the two little screws. Basically the way you took it out, that's the way it needs to go back in. I'm just gonna put these screws in and then slot the cluster in, and then just show you it's working, and then that'll be it. So that's all you got to do on your car as well. Anything else you need to know, please do leave us a message, and then we'll see if we can help you. Now you've got the plug again. Here we go. That plug would then only go one way, which slots in. As you can see, it's working now. So you just got to put everything back together, and that's it. Job done. Any more information, let us know. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.